Okay, hold up. Single player. Chat, we rarely got to a part that's like late in the game that is interesting. Chat, if I did solo, what would be the best solo character you think? So really hard tap. Is engineer good solo? Huntress, you think? How does loader work? Is he worth learning? I've never tried him before, chat. I don't even know what he does. Let's go. We gotta 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 go. Okay, left click is just in the melee attack like this. Okay. Right click. What does right click do? Shift is a punch. What is R? It's a bomb. I don't know what that is. Guys. Guys, it's a grapple. That's it. There's another damage. Yeah, I don't like this. Is this a good item? Okay. Enemies aren't spawning. I don't know why. Enemies aren't spawning. There. Not bad. Good now?
A couple days ago during your Valorant stream you were wondering if Riot would ban people for teabagging. I just wanted to say of course not, because they do it to their employees. Pepe laugh.
Oh yeah, I never asked that. I never said that. What happened? I don't know what happened. T towards the Pega.
M1 swings her fists and it gives barrier. M2 lets you swing around, try and grab onto higher spots. Shift is really good because you can fly at enemies and deal a lot of damage. M2 and shift can be combined to make a swinging flying thing of danger.
Okay. Jesus Christ. That's a good item. That is good. Okay, we gotta go, we gotta go, we gotta go. Meat is good, meat is good. Straight over there, we don't need that. Nope. Yo, go faster, motherfucker, go faster, dude!
Epic. Hey xQc, thank you for streaming every day. I always get happy once I see you go live and you make my day every day. I know I can be a bitch in chat, but I really love you xQcL.
Chat, am I doing this right? How much on? Is it 24 months, foggy? Oh, that's good! Use your R? I know what R does. Dude, these are such good fucking items, dude, for how bad we're doing right now. Is that good, chat? Cam? What? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. How do I fucking beat this? Is that good?
Alright guys, we are only 13 boyfriends away from 17. Come on, just a few more personalities and we can get there. Pogu.
Right. What's that we got here? This is fine. It's actually just bullshit. That's just garbage. It's a trash item. Cheating weird champ. Yeah, but then it's more common. It's more common than people think, I think. I think cheating is way more common. And also... Yo, why can't I fucking move, yo?
Your R is like a short-range turret, you should spam it on cooldown.
That's fine. Is that what I said? Is that what I said, or I even implied that it's fine because it's con, or you have your own little agenda and you're just told that I said that? It wasn't implied at all. What I was going to follow up with as a topic is that a lot of times people cheat without even thinking about it, dude. I think cheating is like you don't need to kiss somebody or have sex with anybody to cheat. It can be as little as like an intention or like the way you message somebody or something. Man, this kid is way too dank.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. 4 months pog xQcL.
Cam. Die, motherfucker. Dude, guys, this kid is really tough. No, watching porn is different. You're so... why being obtuse? See, this is what I like something about Twitch chatted is that people make things extreme, intentionally obtuse to like... I don't even know, just to be edgy or contrarians, dude. Like, dude, if you want to be like that, just go watch Destiny, dude. Seriously. Use the R. Oh. Like, dude, there's no connection unless you're absolutely like brain dead or ill. Okay, you're not building any sort of emotional one-to-one connection in relation to with a fucking porn star you're watching when you're jerking off. It's completely different. Like, there's like such an odd take, dude. You're probably the same person that thinks that you're cucking somebody when you're buying somebody's fucking OnlyFans pictures, let's be honest. Probably the same dude that thinks that you're literally cucking somebody when you're buying pictures. Like, you're kind of like unsavable. No, Disney is a contrarian, which is fine. I don't think it's bad. It's okay to be contrarian. It just is. Is this good, chat? Chat, is Horn good? No. Teddy Bear's pretty good here, I think. Nice. That's good. Very good item so far. Very good run. Boss in the middle. This is a very good run so far, I think, yeah? We gotta go faster. Yeah, we can't really stall here, dude. We gotta go. Should we start boss now?
Yeah, you of me, I rejuge goodness.
Yeah, we gotta go. Not bad. Let's get the fuck out of here, dude. We got it? This is soda waiting room. Of course it is, dude. Of course, this is soda waiting room. This is exactly what the stream is designed for, dude. Thanks so much for bringing that up.
11
forgot
months.
to mention it.
Just wanted to say xQcL and POC. Oh my god. Chat. They are here. They are outside. They are
shift
coming.
more, got it.
Good.
Come on, get me out of here, dude. Yeah, I feel like overall, dude, if you, it's not really, not only just the thought, but like, you know, if you like message something in a certain way, or like you like tempt things or whatever with somebody else when you're already involved with somebody else, that's cheating, dude. Okay, that's cheating. Even if it's like as little as something else, it's still cheating, dude. Right? Is it not? You move on, you can run, we're run while charging, yeah. Come on, give me item, give me item. That's really good. It's not supreme good, but you know. Your message, I see your message, what about it? Yeah, I used to have a Walkman, of course I did. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. Whatever I'm playing, we're gonna end up dying at some point.
Your shift does damage based on how fast you are going, so use your mouse to ability go fast like wash, then charge punch like boom, then let go
that's
and go
smart.
flying like bang, then you one shot them like boom, then rinse and repeat. Oh wait, you don't wash your hands.
Okay, that's not funny, but thanks, man.
15 months xQcOW.
Like this. Oh, like this. I get it.
xQc, do you know the high school LSA?
No, what is that? Fuck me, dude. Fuck. Like, yeah, why? I know that is.
I love raw to xQc LXQC LXQCL.
I don't know that is it. Yeah, why?
It's over, Soldier Boy didn't tell them.
Am I too late for this? Oh, that's really good. For some reason, a lot of like weird animated porn is always like kind of like deviant or deviant or whatever you said I did. It's always like kind of like weird. Go like this, like that. Was that good? Sort of. Why do we do so much fucking damage? That's pretty fucking crazy, dude. That damage is insane. We're not doing it. Holy shit, I get it. Does that have to be in the same direction I'm spinning, or does it be any direction at all? It has the same direction then. I do like this, like that, and I have to go like this. Damn, okay. Okay. We're doing pretty good. I think this is good. 20 minutes for stage 4. That's actually really bad. Stage 4, 20 minutes. Yikes.
Oh yeah, I forgot to add this. Don't bother melee attacking these monsters because they will kill you since you don't have reliable deeps without your shift. So basically go flying like a plane, swoosh, then falcon punch, then run away. Wait for cooldowns.
Okay. Like that? Guys, I'm not doing this right there. Like, what even is that? So fucking infuriating, dude. Gotta go, we gotta move. We're losing pace for no reason. Fuck. You can attack while you're grappling, got it.
Hello PVC, this is Riot Games. We have noticed that you have been yoinking all the keys from your stream and thus your sponsorship has been cancelled. 770.
We need that chat, Black Hole, is that better? Okay, we need to go faster a little bit.
xQcOW.
Oh, this is so cool. This guy takes a lot of time to master for sure. He has a lot of mechanics. I thought we're not ready yet for it though. Destroy the egg and I can see it.
Almost heaven. xQc plug DJ. High quality music. We should get in skip. xQc Shanoos is bigger. Bigger than my 4 house. Smaller than Moxie Brain. But he's just too smart. Plug DJ Mox.
Oh, we gotta go.
Take me home. To the place. I feel hot. xQc plug DJ. Cancel music. Take me home. Plug DJ Mox. All my playlists. Darcy and other music. I just that xQc won't skip. Normal music. Play xQc and Moss here.
Fuck, man! And the grapples are fucking annoying!
Take me home. I feel hot. xQc plug DJ. Cancel music. Take me home. Plug DJ Mox. I hear voice in the morning. Owls calls me. Billy reminds me of my home far away. So I do the song now. Getting skipped by xQc. Am not mad. Alls I played song yesterday. Plug DJ Mox. Take me home. I feel hot. xQc plug DJ. Cancel music. Take me home. Plug DJ.
Man, this guy is really tough. I'm not very good at it.
Plug DJ Mox. Take me home. To the place. I feel hot. xQc plug DJ. Cancel music. Take me home. Plug
It's just triggering. Learn it. It's hard though. It's very difficult.
me home. Plug DJ Mox. Take me home. Plug DJ Mox.
Okay, here it comes, chat. Here it comes. It annoys me too. Yep, it annoys the fuck out of me.
Over 3 years watching. Happy 15 months PVC. Keep up the great content. Much love and keep staying safe
You
xQcOW.
too, man. Did I hit him? Holy shit, this game, dude.
I think you like the Merc class, it's a melee sword dude. To unlock it you basically have to reach stage 8, then go through the teal portal and obliterate yourself. He uses dashes and has invulnerability, you would like him. Get to stage 8, you can do it. I love you chat xQcOW.
You gonna fucking die soon? Okay, not bad. He's dead. What do we need here?
Pop.
Come on. Not time to waste, man. Actually, it's fat. Yeah, it's very fat. Oops. This is like. Like, I'm literally bugged. Missed. It's not even that bad. It's not even that bad. He keeps doing that. Eh, it's so annoying. True. Oh, I need to use black hole, you're right. Wait, I lost it. Wait, I lost black hole. Where's it at? My drone is using it. We go into the gold portal or the blue portal? What do we do? Oh, I know how this works. This is fucking, this is bullshit. Not bad. Not bad at all. Fuck, misclick.
No.
Guys, how fun is Huntress?
Is this Fortnite?
Can you go in high rating with it or not? I'll give it one try. We'll do one run of Huntress and we'll call it. I'm pretty good at this here, so I can play and talk at the same time. I want to run about some stupid shit. The attrition was fucking absolute garbage, dude. We gotta save ourselves. Gotta save ourselves, dude. We reach above the next wave, man. Or left click is better though. Oh wow, a printer for crit. That's rare. I think we should get items and then go sell them all to that. Hopefully we get really bad items here so we don't feel bad about it. I have to stream today, that's rare. Come on, fucking die, pussy bitch. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yeah, these items are trash. It's very, very good for us. That we get bad items. Bad items means that all of our trade-offs with the crit is gonna be worth it. Faster, 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 please. Yeah, these are terrible items. That's really good for us. Very good. Pog, 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 pog. Oh! Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Should we go sell already? No, I did that just then. We don't need that. Fuck. Should we go sell now? Trash. We're only gonna have 3 though, which isn't that good at all. Come on, give me my fucking crit. If we get lucky, maybe we can get one more.
Love this game and I'm happy you're enjoying it. Big schnauzer xQc.
That's about it, right, chat? Is that? I think that's about it. I bugged it. Gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, gotta go, come on. Maybe we can gamble a little bit. Fuck. Come on! Fuck you! Unlucky. We gotta go. We have to go. Fudge Menace is a terrible chat. Not the best run. Item here. Should we go trade that in? What happened with my ult?
Mr. Cow, please fuck my wife.
Sure, man. Give me your number. Fuck, man. What is this about? I'm done. Next game. I can't do it. I can't do it. I can't fucking do it, dude. I can't do it.